rain falling down, splashing puddles all around. FUNKU laughs with arms spread wide, yellow boots in puddles glide. Wheel goes round and round so fast, but sinks in muddy ground at last. Mud goes splash up in the air, uh-oh, trouble everywhere. Wipers switch from side to side, raindrops race along the ride. Kids hold tight to every seat, hearts go bump bump, quick little beat. Swish swish, wiping left and right, blurry lamps glow in the night. Stormy skies and puddles deep, will the bus get out and leap? Push push with all our might, boots sink deep but hold on tight. Mud splashes high, don't give up now, we'll get moving somehow. Wheel spins faster, oh no dear,
FUNKU thinks there's a way out here.
little brow and thinking pose, a clever idea begins to grow. Open the door, what's that glow? A rescue rope all coiled below, bright and strong and shining bright. This will help us win this fight. Tie it tight around the tree, one big knot, now pull with me. Rain keeps falling, drip drop drop, teamwork never wants to stop. Pull, pull, heave, ho, feet slide back but don't let go. Mud goes crack beneath the wheel, you can almost hear it squeal. Pop, the wheel jumps out with splash, water sprays in muddy dash. Bus stand steady, safe and sound, cheers and laughter all around. Clouds move slowly out of sight, golden beams shine warm and bright. Rain and sunshine meet halfway, painting colors in the day. Clap, clap, hooray today, we saved the bus, hip, hip, hooray. Driver smiles and kids all cheer, great job, FUNKU, loud and clear. Rolling down the shiny street, rainbow colors bright and sweet. After storms the skies turn blue, happy rides for me and you.